Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some tips and advice on how to glow up as a guy. Whether you're looking to improve your style, confidence, or overall appearance, this video has got you covered. So, let's get started. Step 1. Focus on your personal hygiene. The first step to glowing up as a guy is to focus on your personal hygiene. Make sure you're taking care of your skin, hair, and body. This means washing your face twice a day, using a good quality moisturizer, and drinking plenty of water. It also means keeping your hair clean and well-groomed, and taking regular showers to stay fresh and smelling good. Step 2. Upgrade your style. The next step to glowing up as a guy is to upgrade your style. This means finding clothes that fit you well and that you feel confident and comfortable wearing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and colors and try to find pieces that reflect your personality and sense of style. Step 3. Hit the gym. Another important step to glowing up as a guy is to hit the gym. Regular exercise can help you build muscle, improve your posture, and boost your confidence. Whether you prefer lifting weights, running, or doing yoga, find an activity that you enjoy and that makes you feel good. Step 4. Take care of your mental health. Glowing up as a guy isn't just about your physical appearance. It's also about taking care of your mental health. This means finding ways to manage stress, such as meditation or journaling, and seeking help if you're struggling with anxiety or depression. Don't be afraid to talk to a therapist or counselor if you need support. Step 5. Be confident. The most important step to glowing up as a guy is to be confident. Believe in yourself. And don't let anyone else bring you down. Remember, confidence is attractive, and it can help you achieve your goals and live your best life. And there you have it, guys. Those are my tips and advice on how to glow up as a guy. Remember, glowing up isn't just about your appearance, it's about